Gimme Queen Dane and chalk hearts melting on a playground wall. Gimme Queen Dane and stone escapes from moonwashed college halls. Gimme Queen Dane and cherry blossoms in the market square. Gimme Queen Dane and I thought it was confetti in our hair. By the way, didn't I break your heart? Please excuse me, I never meant to break your heart. So sorry, I didn't want to break your heart. But you broke mine.
Aww.
Hey, Boozhoo ni Janashinabe Dug.
Boozhoo.
And welcome back to Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Nana Boozhoo. And today I was thinking, let's do a review day.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
We throw a lot of new Ojibwe words out there every day. And, well, I just thought, let's go back to some of the old shows and review some of the words we've done.
Yeah.
So, Gimmick Wayne Danana, do you remember? And, I've said this before, but I think if you're learning the language, if you're trying to learn Ojibwe Moan, put it to a song. Some of these words are really long, and so it helps me to learn them if I can write a little song around it. So let's see. All right, here's going way back to the first show.
Oh wow.
I was thinking, Anamush. Yes, sir. I was thinking it might be kind of fun if we went back and watched some of the old videos. They're really bad. Well, I don't understand. Why would you want to watch a video that was bad? Oh no, just because to kind of make fun of us. But I mean, they're not bad. They were really good in some ways. Anyway, I'm kind of droning on. So on the first video, this was the first song I ever wrote for the podcast, and I was trying to teach the word coffee. Makade mush kiki wabu. And then to say, I want coffee, you say, Niwi ayan.
Niwi ayan.
So the song was like this. Makade mush kiki wabu. Makade mush. Oh, and by the way, I just stole the melody from Three Blind Mice.
Oh,
all right.
Geez.
Makade mush kiki wabu. Makade mush kiki wabu. Niwi aya. Niwi aya. Makere mush kiki wabu. Makere mush kiki wabu. Niwi aya. Makere mush kiki wabu. Makere mush kiki wabu. Niwi aya. Makere mush kiki wabu. That's right. Niwi aya. Makere mush kiki wabu. I need coffee. Okay, miigwech. There you have it. Kigawaba, man. I'll see ya. Okay, bye. And then let's see. Gimmick Wayne Danana, do you remember? There was your girlfriend comes up and she asks you, hey baby, do you think our love will grow? And you look at her and you say, you're asking me, will our love grow? Gawin in kakain danzi. Just stick around and it may show. Gawin in kakain danzi. But these were all songs from Bijinago. Bijinago.
From yesterday.
Bijinago. All my troubles seem so far away. Bijinago, 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 oh, 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 yesterday. is
Oh,
Bijinago
jeez.
in a
Yeah.
Ojibwe. Let's see. And then, of course, who can forget? Um, who can forget? How do you say that? Um, Bushkode Jibik, Bushkode Jibik, Nukwejigan, Nukwejigan, Bushkode Jibik, Bushkode Jibik, Nukwejigan, Nukwejigan. And la 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 la, with another song. We're running out of time. Oh la la. Okay, one more song before we wrap this up.
Late last night in my bedroom, a stranger came from beyond the moon, and he said he was here to learn and to teach that which was beyond our reach. His eyes were huge and his mouth was small. He moved like liquid at 4 feet tall. I was so scared I was screaming inside. Then he gave me a smoke. It eased my mind. We spoke about space and a lost earthling lover. I felt kinda strange when he asked, "How's your mother? How's she been since I've been away?" Casting shadows from electric blue light, an alien sat on my bed last night, and I saw my reflection in his ebony eyes. Then I knew the truth and I knew the lies. He said, "You're my flesh and my blood, you're my precious one. You're my flesh and my blood, but it's time to go. My earthling son, it's time to go. Earthling son, it's time to go. Earthling son, it's time to go. Earthling son, it's time we go. It's time to go. It's time to go. It's time to
Um, okay, this is our last song. I never wrote a song for Giga Wabamin, but here's a word. Giga Wabamin Minawa. I'll see you again. I'll see you, Giga Wabamin Minawa, again. And you have been watching uh Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Miigwech. Miigwech for watching. Boozhoo Nana Boo. You gonna join me here? Oh, sorry, yeah. Thank you for watching. Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo Neeman Waindum Oma Noon Goom. 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 Hey, yeah, something like that.
Oh, I think that's
That
really
could be
good.
our new theme song.
Yeah.